So hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys the part 4 of the Puri vlog, which is the final vlog of Puri. And if you guys did not yet watch the part 3, part 2 and part 1, then please go watch it. Now let's start with the video. So good morning everyone. When I went to the beach, it was 9:30 a.m. in the morning, and trust me, the beach that way was literally so amazing. I loved it and the waves were coming so beautifully, and I just wanted to show you guys how beautiful the sea looks right now. So here are some of the clips and I hope you enjoy seeing them. Hey guys, जैसे आप लोग देख सकते हो, right now I am taking a bath in the Puri Sea, and like इतना देर तक like I am here for like around like 5-6 hours. But like जब पहले जब उतरे थे बहुत दूर तक गए थे, और उस समय मतलब फ़ोन लेकर लेकर मतलब उतरना was very difficult because बहुत ज़ोर से like waves आ रहा था. So फ़ोन लेके मैं नहीं जा पाई. So like मैं एज में बैठ के वीडियो वगैरह भी फिल्म कर रही हूँ. So yeah, that is how it is. हे गाइस, गुड इवनिंग. सो हम लोग तो आप लोगों को मैंने दिखाया है कि मैं अभी वहाँ पर नहा रही थी, बिकॉज लाइक आज का मतलब पूरी का लाइक वेव्स बहुत अच्छा था, एंड लाइक आई रियली लाइक इट, आई लव्ड इट इन फैक्ट. एंड हम अराउंड लाइक 4-5 आवर्स थे बीच पे, एंड आई वाज लाइक लविंग इट सो मच. एंड उसके बाद नाउ I got fresh, as you guys can see. I am wearing my new clothing. ये earring मैंने इधर ही खरीदा था, इधर ही पहन लिया मैंने. So yeah, so like yeah, I'm done with my makeup and everything. Now I'm sitting in a Metro Cafe, and ये मेरे hotel से it's literally like 30 seconds away. And like yeah, like ये hotel शुभ पैलेस जो है उसके नीचे में ये बनाया गया है. So like that is where we are having our lunch right now. So yeah, everything here is a lot more like in Metro Cafe comparatively in Kolkata. Kolkata the prices are a lot higher, but here in Puri the prices are a lot lower. So like yeah, it's better. It's actually better. It's affordable in fact. So if anyone who is Bengali or is is gonna have like anything which is like non-veg, then of course they can come here in Metro Cafe and have it, because this is just an outlet. This is not the fake one. This is the original one. This is just one more outlet here, one more branch here in Puri. That's why. Anyways, I'm going to show you guys whatever food we have ordered and everything. I'm going to show you the eating and also. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so guys, now about the quick review of Metro Cafe. Metro Cafe food was really good. In my opinion, the food was actually better than the branch in Kolkata, and also it was cheaper. And to be honest, the food was luxurious and it was really good. I ordered some fish fry and as well as kochupata diye chingri bhapa, which I also ordered that day in Shade Allade, and as well as some rice and also some egg curry. And trust me, it was really good and I loved it. So yeah, overall the review is very nice. It is a 5 on 5 for me. টেস্ট করে বলো কেমন হয়েছে. You guys can see how much I'm enjoying the food, and trust me, it is worth it. It is situated right below the Shiv Palace. Please go and have it. I would 110% recommend you guys. Good evening everyone. After we had our lunch and after we relaxed a bit, it was 6:15 p.m. when we came out for a walk in the beach. So like we walked in the beach for about 45 minutes, and after that I rode a camel, which was one of my most desired ride, which I wanted to do once when I come to Puri. The camel ride was for about 100 rupees per person, and they say that they take you around like 100 meters, but I do not believe so. As much as my IQ works, they only took us like 50 meters and not more than that. But yeah, if you really want to ride a camel, then please go for it. You will definitely enjoy it. To be honest, I was actually a bit scared, like the way it was moving. Like it was like moving back and forth, and I really got scared. But like, yeah, I really enjoyed it. After my mother and I roamed in the beach, we came for shopping. Because, of course, we have come to Puri and we have to do some of the shopping. Like any other videos, we are always shopping. But, like, yeah, we really enjoy shopping, So just don't judge. I know wherever we go, we are shopping. So after we were done buying some clothes, we bought some khaja from Ganguram. The branch which I just showed you guys is actually the original branch of Ganguram. After we were done shopping and we bought ourselves some khajas, we went back home by Toto. And as you guys can see, this is the very famous fish fry of Puri, which a lot of people have and they sell near the beach market. I personally do not really like it a lot because to me it smells a lot, but if you guys want to have it, then definitely give it a try. You may like it or may not, so yeah. So for dinner we had some burgers which we ordered yesterday as well. If you guys have seen my part 3 of the Puri vlog, you guys will know I've given great review of the food stall and I'm pretty sure that you guys will love it, and please give it a try because yeah, it's really good. It's better than most of those fancy places. Good morning everyone. Today was the last day of my mother and I in Puri, so we came once more in the temple to buy some items for our god, and to be honest it was a wonderful weather that day. You can see the surrounding, how pretty it looks. So guys, we are finally going back home. I know it's a bit sad, but of course we have to go back home, right? So the Shamoli bus departed at around 6:30 p.m. from Puri bus stop and reached the Dharamtala bus stop by 4:45 a.m.
That's it for Puri's vlog. I really hope that you guys liked it. And right now we are going back through Shamoli sleeper bus. And yeah, it's really comfortable. I'm lying down. So is my mother. She's watching some, I don't know, some cooking videos or something. So like yeah, I really loved Puri and I hope you guys enjoyed my vlog as much as I did enjoy to make this vlog. So yeah, I really hope that you liked it, and if you did, then please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Even if you don't subscribe, just give a like to this video because I made I give my really efforts to do this. So yeah, I just really hope that you enjoyed it. And yeah, I love you guys, and yes, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Bye.